A very good morning to all dear students. प्रेजेंटेशन का आज का दौर है, उसके अंदर हमारे पास जो सबसे पहले प्रेजेंट हैं वो हैं प्रवीण कुमार और पीयूष कुमार। ये हम लोगों के साथ नॉन एक्वस सॉल्वेंट डिस्कस करेंगे। बड़ा ही अच्छा इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है। हम लोग जनरली इसको थर्ड सेमेस्टर में डिस्कस करते हैं हमारे डिग्री कोर्स के अंदर। तो चलिए चलते हैं प्रवीण और पीयूष के पास नॉन एक्वस सॉल्वेंट के लिए। नाउ बेटा प्रवीण एंड पीयूष, यू कैन प्रोसीड विद योर प्रेजेंटेशन।
Hello, good morning everyone, respected Sandeep sir and my dear friend. Myself Praveen Kumar.
And myself Piyush Kumar.
Today we are here to highlight some of the key points related non-aqueous solvent. So first we discuss about aqueous solvent and non-aqueous solvents. Aqueous solvents. The solution which is formed by dissolving a substance in water are known as aqueous solvent. Water is known as universal solvents. Non-aqueous solvents. The solvent other than water which are used for carrying out chemical reaction are known as non-aqueous solvent. Type of solvents. First one is protonic and non-protonic solvent. Second one is acidic, basic or amphoteric solvents. Third one is ionizing and non-ionizing solvent. Fourth one is coordinating and non-coordinating solvents. We will discuss it by one. First one is protonic and non-protonic solvent. The solvent from which proton can derived are called protonic solvent. Therefore, protonic solvent contain ionizable hydrogen. Example is H2O or HF. The solvent from which protons cannot be ordinarily derived are called non-protonic solvent. Example C6H6 or N2O4. Next one is acidic, basic or amphoteric solvents. The solvent which have strong tendency to donate a proton are acidic in nature and are called acidic solvents. Example is H2SO4 or acetic acid. Next one is the solvent which have strong tendency to accept proton and are basic in nature are called basic solvents. Example is pyridine. Third one is the solvent which neither have strong tendency nor a strong tendency to lose proton are called amphoteric solvent. Example is water or ethyl alcohol. Next one is ionizing and non-ionizing solvents. The solvent which are capable of undergoing self-ionization or auto-ionization are called ionizing solvent. Example SO2 or HF. The solvent which do not ionize at all are called non-ionizing solvents. Example CCl4. Next one is coordinating and non-coordinating solvent. The solvent which are capable to coordinate with a metal ion or anion of the solute are called coordinating solvent. Example is dimethyl sulfoxide. The solvent which are not capable of coordinating with the metal ion or anion of the solute are called non-coordinating solvent. Example है saturated hydrocarbon.
Next one is type of reaction in non-aqueous solvents. First one is metathetical or precipitation reaction. The reaction in which precipitation occurs on mixing two solutions are called metathetical or precipitation reaction. For example, in water, silver nitrate and barium chloride react to give a precipitate of silver chloride, leaving barium nitrate in the solution. Example, silver nitrate plus barium chloride gives silver chloride plus barium nitrate. On the other hand, in liquid ammonia, a precipitate of silver chloride combined with barium nitrate to give precipitate of barium chloride, leaving silver nitrate in the solution. Example, silver chloride plus barium nitrate in liquid ammonia gives barium chloride plus silver nitrate. Therefore, reversal of a chemical reaction take place on changing the solvents. Second one is salt formation. The reaction between appropriate and basic substance to form salt are called salt formation reaction. Example, the sodium uride cannot be prepared by the reaction of urea on sodium hydroxide in water. It is because the strong base available in water will not take a proton from urea molecule. Example, sodium urate plus
Exam.
water gives Na positive, OH negative plus urea. However, this salt can be easily formed in liquid ammonia solution by the reaction of urea with strong sodamide. Example, urea plus sodamide in liquid ammonia gives sodium urate plus NH3. And the third one is solvation.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
हाँ प्रवीण बोलो बेटा।
Screen नहीं show हुई sir.
Sir, screen.
हाँ हो रही है,
The
सॉल्वेशन आ गया
reaction
आपका
in which,
स्क्रीन पे।
yes, sir. The third one is solvation. The reaction in which the molecule of the solvent get attached to a solute species, that is cation, anion or molecule, are called solvation reaction. The solvation reaction in water, ammonia, alcohol, etc. are called hydration, amination, and alkylation, etc. Example, copper sulfate plus ammonia gives aminate. Thank you.
थैंक यू वेरी मच बेटा प्रवीण। पीयूष, अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन है, अच्छा कोशिश की आपने, बहुत बढ़िया है ये। हम लोग नॉन एक्वा सॉल्वेंट के बारे में पढ़ते हैं थर्ड सेमेस्टर के अंदर, तो अच्छी कोशिश थी आपने, क्योंकि जनरली सेकंड आप लोगों ने सेकंड सेमेस्टर, थर्ड सेमेस्टर, फोर्थ सेमेस्टर में से टॉपिक कम उठाए, बट आपने अच्छी कोशिश की, बहुत बढ़िया। अगेन थैंक यू वेरी मच बेटा।
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.